In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a captivating text animation using CapCut that will make it look like the words are being written by hand in real time. This is a fantastic trick for adding a unique touch to your videos, and it's perfect for tutorials, intros, or any content where you want to leave a lasting impression. So let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this effect. First things first, you'll want to add a text box to your video. You can do this by navigating to the text tool in CapCut and simply clicking to add the text where you want it to appear. Choose a font that resembles Cursive or a handwritten style to enhance the illusion of it being written naturally and fluidly. Cursive fonts often have that personal, handwritten feel, which works beautifully with the effect we're going to create. Once your font choice is locked in, head over to the Animation tab. This is where the magic happens. In this section, you'll want to select the Write by Hand option under the In category. When you choose this animation, CapCut will animate the text in a way that mimics how you'd write it with a pen, line by line. It's a fantastic way to add dynamism to your text and instantly captures the viewer's attention. Now, to make sure everything flows smoothly, it's important to adjust the duration of the animation. The key here is to match the timing of the text animation with the natural rhythm of handwriting. If the text appears too fast, it can be jarring, too slow, and you might lose the viewer's interest. A good tip is to preview it a few times and tweak the duration until it feels just right, capturing that genuine writing pace. To take your animation to the next level, consider adding sound effects for added realism. Imagine the gentle scratch of a pen or pencil on paper syncing perfectly with the motion of the text. You can browse CapCut's sound library for suitable effects, or you might have your own sound effects that you've prepared. Adding these audio cues can create a more immersive experience for your viewers, enhancing the overall impact of your animated text. Finally, let's talk about the positioning. This technique often works beautifully when it seems like the text is written behind a person in the video, providing depth and style to your scene. It creates a distinctive visual effect, as if the text is interacting with the physical space in your video. Experiment with perspectives and layering to see how the effect alters the composition and feel of your scene. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to create the illusion of live handwriting in your videos with CapCut. This method not only enriches your visual storytelling but can also significantly jazz up your video content. Give it a try and watch as your creations come to life with this engaging and artistic touch.